Good morning, stock twits. The Zorman here, Zor Trades. I'm back with the money stock of the day. November 12th, 6:40 in the morning. Futures are bidding down close to 1%. Let's see if the invisible hand makes an appearance today. Let's see if he comes back and buys the dip. But either way, let's take a look at our money stock of the day. The name of the company is called Roadrunner Transportation Services. The ticker symbol on the stock, jot it down if you have a pen. R as in Robert, R as in Robert, T as in Tom, and S as in Sam. RRTS. Here we have a stock that for the last 6 days, 6 days, the stock has been, actually 5 days, the stock has actually been consolidating, coiling, trying to break the $13 level. This stock goes through 13. I want to own the stock, I want to become an owner of the stock. And what you can see here with the volume is that on the up days, the volume has been coming into the stock. You see the big blue bars here. Even yesterday, with the market down, the stock was up and the volume was up. So either way, we want to buy the stock going through $13 a share. I have two mini money stock of the day, miscellaneous stocks. The first one happens to be JKS, the solar company. For those of you who like buying, buying on the dip, this stock might provide an opportunity. Right now, JKS is bidding down to 32.10, which is right a shade above the 20-day moving average, and also right here happens to be previous resistance that can now turn into support. Now this stock just came out with their numbers. They reported roughly $215 million in revenues. The street was looking for $162 million. As far as EPS, they completely crushed the street. The street was looking for 96 cents. They came in at $1.75, and to boot, they raised their fourth quarter guidance. So the point is, the company came out with phenomenal numbers. It'll be interesting to see if the buyers come in here at the 20-day moving average. If it was me, then I'll buy a small position here at the 20-day, buy the other half at the 50, and then put the stop on the close below the 50-day moving average. Another stock in the same sector, GT Solar, also came out with phenomenal numbers. The stock has had a pattern over the last 4 days of lower highs and lower lows. As far as the numbers are concerned, the revenues were up 120%. They came in and they earned 28 cents a share versus 6 cents, and they raised their 2011 guidance. In a situation like this, when you have what seems to be so far an orderly pullback to the 20-day and 50-day moving average, what you want to see is you want to see a break of this pattern. You have a lower high and lower low. What you want to do is you want to be a buyer when the stock gets above the previous day's high. That's one way to do it. The other way is to become a dip buyer and nibble as the stock comes back to the 20-day moving average, or more importantly, the 50-day, which has been significant for the stock. As you can see here, it's obviously it's been support for the stock ever since August. So either way, the official money stock of the day is RRTS. Okay, going through $13 a share. For the dip buyers, I have something for you as well, and that's JKS. Came out with great numbers, coming right back to previous resistance that can turn into support, and Solar, JT Solar, SOLR. Trade them well, be well, and let's see if the invisible hand that some people call POMO makes an appearance today. Stay tuned.